Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use like this texture brush for drawing on CapCut. So it's basically like a sticker that you can like draw. So go to text and select draw, and then you are going to go to texture. You can adjust the size here in opacity. For instance, I want like flowers around her, so I'm just going to choose the flowers one. I can also choose the size. This is as big as the brush will get. And to add in the flowers, I'm just going to tap on the screen like so. And then I can also like erase it. For instance, I don't want these two here because they're all purple. And then I can just go, oops, it's purple again. I can go back to like erasing and adding like so. You can also press undo. And then you can add more, like these one, super cute for like decoration. It's very easy to like apply to, as you can see. But I like the ones with flowers. There's just a lot of options. There's also these stars too that you can add just to make your video look cool. Press the check mark button. You can also adjust the duration here. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!